Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Tuner on Security. In this video I'm going to show you how to solve a CTF challenge from picoCTF 2024. The challenge is called Scan Surprise. I've summarized the most important information about the challenge here. The area of the challenge is forensics. The task is to find a flag hidden in an image file. You'll find a link to the challenge in the video description below. Let's jump into the challenge. Here we are at the picoCTF page for this challenge. Let's have a look at the description. I've gotten bored of handing out flags as text. Wouldn't it be cool if there were an image instead? You can download the challenge files here. And then we have a link to a zip file. So let's click that and download it. Then let's unzip it. Let's run exif tool on this file. So we see that it's a PNG file and nothing of particular interest here. So let's open the file in an image viewer. And here we can see that it's a QR code. Let's use a tool called zbar img, and let's provide our PNG file. And here we see that the QR code translates into this. So let's copy that. And let's see if that's our flag. Yes, it was. And we solved the challenge. Thanks for watching. I see you next time.